Alright, so here's how to join Grow a Garden Stock Notifier Discord server. First of all, just open your Discord app on your computer, and after that, just click on the Discover icon on the left side. Alright, here. Now just go on top right corner and click on the search icon and type here Grow a Garden. Grow a Garden Stocks and Weather. Alright, type Grow a Garden Stock and Weather. Now press enter. Now here you will see a different type of servers. What you have to join is this Grow Garden Stocks Weather with 736 789 members. Just click on it and you will be able to join the server. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.